So, mag-open tayo ng parcel. Ayan, address sa pangalan ko. JC Green Garden. Ayan, yun ang inorderan. So, sabi niya, mag-take down ng video while opening to protect my rights. Okay? Hindi yan nakabukas, ha? Hindi yan bukas. Hindi yan bukas. Oh, ini, inorder ko mga seeds. Ayan po ang seeds. So, check natin. To make sure. Ayan, onion seeds. Ayan, 40 seeds. Cucumber. And then, meron tayong red watermelon seed. 5 seeds. Yung cucumber, 4 seeds lang siya.
Watermelon.
Oo. Tapos, merong Baguio, Pechay Baguio seeds, 50 seeds. Merong icebergs lettuce, 70 seeds. Meron tayong onion leeks, 30 seeds na onion leeks. Merong watermelon yellow, 2 seeds. Sweet melon seeds, 10 seeds. Merong carrot seeds, 70 seeds.
Carrot?
Yeah. Pak choy seeds, 230 seeds. Dami ah. Tsaka red onion seeds, 50 seeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packets.
Oh my God.
Yan ang order namin, guys. 11 variety of seeds. So, okay. Yun. Ang ganda tingnan, ano? No? Ang ganda tingnan. Ang dami na ano. Pechay, watermelon, cucumber, icebergs, Baguio pechay, wow, red watermelon, merong onions, bunching onion seed, just carrots.